shows you what it is recording. So I put it in the side, and here I have my notepad. Okay, so this is one. Now I'm going to turn on multiple cameras inside the computer. So first of all, this camera is a webcam max, and I want to try, I don't want to pay. And now I press the record button, and this uses this camera. This is also a 360 camera.
Okay.
You see how it looks different? So I start recording, and you can see this is used also for surveillance. Surveillance is what you have at home when you record a thief that is breaking to your house. And then I use another software to back it up. So in case one of them is no good or breaks in the middle, you see it says record. And this is another webcam, and I'm recording here too. So this is number 2. And now, finally, these are all recording that are local, which means that they are all in this place. But what happens if the place burns and all of it is damaged, then the recording are no good. You understand?
Okay.
So for that reason, we are going to add a cloud recorder. A cloud recorder means it is recording on the cloud. So even if everything here burns, it doesn't matter, it will be on the cloud. Right? So we start the cloud recorder. I click here, start recording, and here you'll see a counter. You see? 2 or 3, and it tells you what's happening. And this is the image here.
The cloud?
And this is on the cloud. In addition to that, I use another recorder. This is for... Now this is another recorder that is called step recorder. What does it mean? It records every screen image and every keystroke, spying on you from inside the computer.
So whatever you see there is recording.
You see, this, I show you the previous recording. You see step number 34. It was in this date and time, and the user left click on rich text, blah, blah, blah. This is what the users typed on the keyboard. You understand? Now I'm setting it up. I'm checking the parameter to make sure that the setting is set to 999 screens max. So this is a screen image, and I click OK. This is a screen image, you see? And this is step number 79. I set it up to a maximum of 999 screens. You understand? Very long time.
Okay.
And now I'm turning it on, and I start recording here too. Start recording. Now I put it on the side, and now I'm ready to demonstrate to you what I wanted to demonstrate to you, which is PiccyBot. So I want to say, okay, now we're going to demonstrate how PiccyBot works, okay? And I put it in front of the camera here so the camera can see it, and I want to show it. I'm going to use PiccyBot to demonstrate how can a contractor use PiccyBot. So I'm going to select the PiccyBot icon, and I'm pressing the PiccyBot icon. You see? And now I'm ready to start. So I aim the PiccyBot at the screen, and I'm going to press this button to start PiccyBot. The video and the computer vision, they will document what did the contractor do. Okay, so let's say that you are a computer contractor and you set up the computer system for a professor that will teach at the university. You will have one student here, which is you, and one student here, one professor here, and then a lot more on the internet. Okay, so I'm going to click it, and now it sets up the screen with a 1 minute maximum, and this is a counter that will go down. This is a counter that is going up with time. So we've been on it already almost for 3 minutes. So now I'm aiming it in the screen, and I click record, and now the counter starts running down, 57, 56 seconds to go. This is a computer system that demonstrates the concept of recording and spying on somebody and using computer vision to document it. So now I'm going to take it around the room so that it can see us all. So you have a professor here and you have a student here, and the professor is teaching the students about several topics. Okay? So now we come back to the same place. 23 more seconds to go. I want also for it to see all the ceilings and all the cameras and everything here, and until it goes down to 1. You see 9. And I will take it even outside to show it that this is the swimming pool and the yard. And now it's finished. So now it will tell you what it is doing. Compressing. Now the counter starts running down. 57, 56 seconds to go. This is a computer system that demonstrates the concept of recording and spying on somebody and using computer vision to document it. So now I'm going to take it around the room so that it can see us all. So you have a professor here and you have a student here, and the professor is teaching the students about several topics. Okay? So now we come back to the same place. 23 more seconds to go. I want also for it to see all the...
We are looking at a screen. I'm a little biased here, but my dream landing
this is
spot
an
for Gen 2
advertising.
would be the Broncos.
This is why I don't pay. If I pay, it will be advertising free.
Perfect. Today we are going to be talking landing spots for the top 10 offensive prospects in this year's
So I want to
draft
get rid
class.
of the advertising. So I close it, and now it will continue.
Recording on a computer with multiple windows open. One window shows a person with a beard and hat lying on a cluttered surface, surrounded by various objects. The screen also includes a smaller, circular inset of a person's face. The recorder notes that a countdown timer is running down. The person recording speaks about using a computer system to demonstrate recording and spying on someone, using computer vision to document it. The recorder then moves the camera around the room, showing various areas, including an area cluttered with PVC pipes and electrical wires. We see a man with grey hair standing in front of an assortment of objects. The narrator identifies one man as a professor and the other as a student, adding that the professor is teaching the student about various topics. The camera moves to show a lot of clutter throughout the house. After that, we return to the computer screen, where the countdown continues and the camera is moved again. We are looking around the room, seeing various objects, cameras, and the ceiling. Then we are looking through a window to a swimming pool and cluttered outdoor area.
So now, זה text, and now I'm going to share it. So what does it mean that I will share it? I will tell PiccyBot, I want you to send me the video plus the narration.
Okay.
So I'm pressing this button, and now I'm going down. This is the text that it has written. And now I'm saying share it, and share video first, and share it with ARush, the email of Sarah. I click it here, and then I click send. So it says enter your prompt. Let me try it again. It didn't get the proper share video, and you have to click it properly on this email. Okay, now it works. So now I want to tell it send the video. Now I want it to send the description also. So I tell it share description. And then I want to share it with this email address. And then I want to send it. You understand? So now I'm finished. And all of that, if I log into this email address, it will be there. So I'm opening a browser again. And I'm going to find her email. This is not her. This is not her, not her. Here is her. So I want to refresh the page. Reload, you understand? And here should be the email address from PiccyBot. You understand? So now if I click on it, what do you think will happen? Tell me. תגיד לי אתה, אם אני עושה קליק על זה, if I'm clicking on this, So I'm clicking on it. So
Yes.
you see what it has?
ARush, okay.
And this
Okay,
is the
okay, further.
text,
The
you
video,
understand?
video, okay, okay.
Now what happens if I click on this?
The video will come to support it.
Now let's go back. What did I do there? I need to go back to here. Go back to refresh or reload. There are two of them. This one, I can download it to this machine. Here it is MP4 and double click it.
Okay, first,
And now the counter starts running down. 57, 56 seconds to go. This is a computer system that demonstrates the concept of recording and spying on somebody and using computer vision to document it. So now I'm going to take it around the room so that it can see us all.
זה על שר האימייל, אתה רואה את זה.
So you have a professor here
No,
and you have a
I
student
set it
here,
download.
and the professor is
הטקסט
teaching
נמצא
the
שם באותו
students
מקום למטה.
about
I did
several
the download
topics.
to the local
Okay.
machine. Now
So
it is
now
on
we
this
come
machine.
back to the same place. 23 more seconds to go. I want also for it to see all the ceilings and all the cameras and everything here. And until it goes down
To download.
to 1,
You see this?
you see 9,
This is the video.
and I even will take it
Compressed
even
10
outside
video.
to show it that
Download
this is
it.
the swimming
You
pool.
understand?
And
זה
they-
מה שמסתכל עכשיו.
So now I close the media player. And now I want to show you the various things that I've done. So I'm going to stop this recording on what is called PSAR, Problem Step Recorder. But before that, I want to copy. This is the name of the file that I'm going to make. You see this file? This is going to be the file name. So I edit, copy it, and then I go and I tell this program that is currently recording to make a comment. And in the comment, I'm going to paste the name. The mouse is a little nervous. Paste, and here's the name, and I say okay. Now I want you to stop recording, and I want to save it. Now this was saved in the clipboard
כל מה
buffer.
שעשינו על הקומפיוטר, יכול להפעיל את הכל מחדש.
No, like only this
על הנם הזה, על
line,
הנם הזה, כן. אני
only
שם
this
שם.
line, only the name of the file. And now I'm going to tell this program, Step Recorder, it is called PSAR. PSAR means Problem Step Recorder.
Okay.
And this records the screen, and if I had any, I was using a lot of applications. So if there is any problem with an application,
I'll tell you.
it will record everything. It will record all the keystrokes, even if I press F1 or Control F1,
כל מה
everything,
שעשית.
and every screenshot in between. So I'm going to tell him stop recording, and now I want to save it with the file name. So I'm going to press this save, and now I want to paste the file name. So I'm going to paste this file name that I had before. You understand? And now this file name is a zip type of a file. You see it says zip files. So I make a note here, .zp, to tell me that this is a zip format. So if you look at it on the phone,
Yeah, zip, it means it's compressed. You cannot
right,
look at it.
you need
have to expand it.
an expander, right? So and then I add a note here that this is .zip. So this is a zip. It started with a video file name that is still going on,
zip זה פורמט, זה שתדע איך לעשות לזה
expansion.
extension,
And now I'm copying the PSAR.exe means what? I just told you. Can you recall it? P for problem,
yeah.
S for what? Step. So repeat it.
כל החיים שלך לעשות
3
את זה
words.
בפחד. אוקיי, אבל יש לך כל כך הרבה...
P is problem. P S is step.
Yes.
P
PS, and E, problem step recorder. R for פיסר. תחשוב על פיסר, אתה יודע מה זה פיסר?
PSR.
עכשיו, מה זה EXE? .exe. Executable. Executable means a program, you understand? So what is it together? Psar.exe, problem step recorder executable. Which means that this is a program file, unlike a text file, you understand? The low text file, exactly. So now this is called a path. I'm going to copy to the clipboard buffer and then insert it before the file name. Right mouse click and paste. Then I put a backslash to separate the path from the file name. And now this is a string that is in the zip format and includes a prefix with the path and a suffix with the file name. Do you understand? Right. And now I'm copying it from here to the clipboard buffer. Before I save it, I want to copy it with the clipboard buffer. And now by mistake I moved my cursor over here and it took another file name, which is not what I want. So I put it back and paste the file name that I want and then click save. So I save it from the RAM, from the memory to the hard drive. Okay. And now I want to view it so that you will understand what it does. So I saved it. And now I'm clicking review additional details and scroll up to show you what it did. So these are the details. And here you can see step number 1. For some reason, it didn't record more than one step. I must have done something incorrectly, but this is how it works. It recorded only the first step and then some notes about this step. You understand? It should have, I might have done something incorrectly, so I want to review the settings. The settings are okay, but something happened. Maybe it ran out of memory because I'm running so many applications together. So I canceled that, and now I want to start a new recording. And then I want to add in the new recording a comment from the file name of the previous recording. So I'm going to paste it, and then enter, and then OK. And now I want to put it in my notes and paste it in my notes. Edit, paste, and this is in zip format. And now I want to save it in another format, in text format, because I want to save this file with my notes. So save as, and this is a text type of file. So I have it one in a zip and the second one in a text. So I want to paste the file name, but I want to change it to another folder. So I'm going to go to document, and I want to scroll down to a subfolder that is called log. Like log is where, you understand what log is? No, log is it records everything that you did. So I have a folder where I record everything that I do, so I remember, or in case somebody else wants to look at it, I'm looking for the letter L, LMNOP. You understand? In the letter L, here is the log subfolder. I go inside, and now I'm going to take the path from here, move this away, take the path of log, right mouse click and copy to the clipboard buffer, and insert it at the beginning, just like I did before, but this time is different format. What format is this? Text. So I'm going to, at the end, and I'm going to put period, TXT, and this is file name, this is called the file name extension. And then I'm going to change it in the middle from ZP, this is the abbreviation. So in the telephone, for example, it doesn't display the file name extension. So it will be I'm deleting zip and I put in TXT. TX is enough. and PiccyBot, WizMoBiz, SERP, search engine results page, and my video, and the video include the time and the date, and here I put another time and the date. So everything, this is called backup, robust backup and recovery.
שבוע נוכל לעשות פורמה של מה שעשית, אולי.
אל תדאג.
שבוע.
I don't expect you to retain and understand,
הרבה מילים, הרבה מושגים.
but
אבל
to
הביא
give
את
you a
ה-
clue so that you
כן, כן,
understand
הביא
what
את
you didn't
הקונספט.
understand.
כן,
Now, I want to copy to the clipboard buffer. So, right mouse, copy, and now I save it. I click the save button, and now I paste it. So, in my notepad,
אתה שומר את כל הדברים
edit,
שצריך לזכור.
paste, and all of that, file save. All of that will be done automatically. This is called an algorithm. A bunch of steps that the AI, I will automate it with AI, you understand?
Yeah, but you got everything on notes. On notes,
Right,
you got
before
all the steps.
before I'm using AI, I have to tell AI what I want the AI to do.
Yeah, you have to have all the
So I'm
information.
building the flow chart, and then I'm going to code it, and I'm going to have AI do it automatically.
כן, זה דייסה אחת גדולה.
Okay? And now,
אני צריך לנוע, אני לא יכול לעמוד על הרגליים, כואב לי
here, אני אתן לך כיסא, תשב.
הרגליים שלי כבר לא משהו.
תשב. תשב.
ביקור מציג.
Okay. And this will be, you asked me about the form and the paperwork, right?
Yeah.
This is how we will automate all the form and the paperwork.
Everything in the note, the AI know how to write the note, you create the note, and then you go line by line and know where to go.
And it will have all these records. So the
Yeah.
video camera produces also the date and the time. So when you look at it, it says my video, and then it says the date. This is the date, you understand?
Yeah.
So explain to me what date is it?
Today is only today, 23rd.
What is the 25 at the beginning there?
Year.
That's right. And what is 04?
חודש ואחרי זה יש לך היום. כל
That's
אחד
right.
מתחיל להתחלה.
And what is on the other side? 19?
של היום, זה היום, ואחרי זה התאריך של היום, אבל מתחיל
לא,
מהשנה.
19, מה זה 19?
19.
תחשוב.
שנה,
כן,
לאחר חודש,
כן.
איפה היום?
יום,
23.
אמרת כבר.
23.
23 לאפריל.
ועכשיו 19.
What time is it now? Do you know? Look at the watch on the clock there.
יש לך עוד שש.
הנה, כאן גם יש לך
אין לי
time.
אין לי שעון, אבל אני מבין את הרעיון. פעם אחת את הזמן.
What is the time? תקרא, read what it says there. אתה יכול, you can see?
לא רואה.
תשים את המשקפיים.
9, 7, 8,
תקרא, what is written there?
7, 50,
7 in military time, what is it?
19, 24.
ומה what is the first,
אני לא יכול לראות את זה פה, 1924 סייגל?
no, 19, 30, 38.
זה הזמן שזה היה קודם, אוקיי.
You understand? It's the time when I turn the video on. You understand now?
כל האינפורמציה, הכל נמצאת שם.
Everything is recorded. Plus, if the computer goes down,
It's all on the
this
cloud.
is, no, but also in this camera.
On the stick.
In this camera too, and also in the cloud. So if the whole place burns all of a sudden, the cloud still remains. You understand?
הרבה אינפורמציה, אבל אני מבין את הרעיון.
Okay, so now we're going to close down the whole operation so you
Close the
cannot,
public, I need to move. I don't
and
know
you have
why.
to move, right? So now, first of all, I want to close the cloud, right? So I press this button to close the cloud. So this gives you the URL, the address of the cloud. You understand? URL, you understand what the
כן,
URL
אבל
means?
יש לך את זה
What,
שמור
what, does,
בקומפיוטר.
what does
I
URL
know
mean?
it's stand for, but this is the URL, the address on the computer. In the website.
URL is Control V, and this says loom.com, share, and this number. You understand?
URL is המקום של הוובסייט, נכון? זה המקום של
הוובסייט על
כן.
האינטרנט, המקום של הווידאו הזה הספציפי בוובסייט.
הוובסייט, כן. זה
So now,
בגלובל ווב.
זה לא just בגלובל ווב, זה נכון, אבל זה חברה the company that is called Loom. Loom is a cloud recorder.
Okay.
You understand? Right, and now I want to add more documentation to this, and I want to play it back. I want to hear, is it any good, the cloud? So I click on, is the cloud any good?
Well, let's see. I mean, if you got anything.
This is 2.5 speed.
Yeah,
Just quickly. And now I want to add text to this, more details. So I go edit, select all, edit, copy, and looks perfect. So I want to add a comment, a text. So I click the comment button, and now right mouse click and paste. Now I scroll down, and I want to add a summary also, so I paste the same thing as a summary. Everything is done double and triple for security. And now I'm going down, and I review it, and it has a transcript. Not only did it record the video, but it made this transcript, everything I said, with times. So now I can go into into it, also add chapters. So it will split it into 3 chapters by the timer, and I save the chapters, and now I want to go into the transcript and see the transcript. You see, this is in purple, this is the transcript. You see the time, and whatever I said and you said is all recorded here. But now I want to copy it from the cloud to my folder. So if something happens with the cloud, I got it also in my folder, because the company, who knows, they can go under any time. So this is the transcript of the entire conversation. I want to go to the top, and I want to copy to the clipboard buffer and then to my folder. So I will have it also in my file. So I click copy. Now I'm going to my notes. I have the URL already. And I go edit, paste the transcript, and now I have the transcript in here. You see? The whole, yeah, and that will all be done automatically by the AI that I'm planning, that I'm now planning. So now that I know that this is perfect, I'm going to stop it. So I'm pressing the stop button here to stop the playback and minimize it and go to the other recording. The second recording is here. This is still recording. I want to test it too. So I'm going to stop this recording and now play it back to see if this is good. And it is perfectly good, so I'm going to stop this. But what happens if the place burns? And then another recording here. I want to stop this and test this too. So I stop this, double click it to play it back. Start recording, and you can see this is used also for surveillance. Surveillance is what you have at home when you record a feed.
At the start, I remember that what you're saying.
You understand?
At the start of the conversation we had.
Right, so I'm going to stop that. And now I want to stop the screen recorder, which is another recording that is going on, this one. So I'm going